What's up guys, Peter McKinnon here. Samsung is preparing a Galaxy Note 10 Pro. So why Pro? Samsung has never released a Pro model before. Oh wait, they did. There was Galaxy A9 Pro, C9 Pro, C7 Pro, but never a Pro S-series phone or a Note series phone. Now what is the meaning of having a Pro on a Samsung phone? So basically, the A9 Pro, the phone that came out back in the days, had the battery size of 5000 mAh and one of the largest displays at the time, rocking 6 inches. So in Samsung's dictionary, Pro means the biggest battery and the biggest display. We all know that there will be two models of Galaxy Note 10, the Note 10e and a bigger, now to be called Note 10 Pro. Thanks to the leaked model number, now we are fully confirmed that there will be 4 Galaxy Note 10 models this year. We have the SM-N970 and SM-975, which are 4G versions of Note 10e and the Note 10 Pro, and then the N971 and N976, which are the 5G versions of these same models. Of course, these will be released on 5G markets, but the 4G models will come out worldwide. This also means that the smaller Galaxy Note 10e 5G might actually be the cheapest 5G Samsung phone of this year. Now the Note name itself always represents a large display, so it's not ideal to call a Note phone as Note Plus. So instead of Note 10 Plus, the Note 10 Pro kind of fits more, and Pro is so much more than just a plus size. Again, if we take a look at the previous Pro models from a couple of years back, we got the biggest display and the biggest battery. And this year, the Note 10 Pro is scheduled to have a 6.75-inch display. It's going to set a new record when it comes to smartphone sizes and also when it comes to the battery. Of course, in 2019, there are so many phones coming out with 4000 mAh cell. I mean, it's kind of becoming the norm. Even the S10 Plus has a 4100 mAh battery. So Galaxy Note 10 Pro has to have 5000 mAh. I mean, it makes sense because we already have a 4500 mAh cell on a mid-range Galaxy A70. Of course, a Pro phone in 2019 cannot be Pro without a major feature which is currently missing on Samsung phones, and that is a super night mode. It's been said by Ice Universe that Samsung is working on a night mode feature for Galaxy S10 family, and the update is expected to arrive in April or May. Will it be as good as the night mode photos of the P30 Pro? It could actually be, since it has f1.5 aperture, and with the right optimization, it can at least challenge the P30 Pro dominance in terms of the night photography. This is something that I really do miss a lot, and I really hope Samsung to push this update as soon as possible. And of course, we're gonna see this on the Note 10 family as well. Also, Galaxy Fold hands-on videos are now coming out, and I hope to get my hands on this beauty as well. And one thing I want to point out here is that the crease on these final versions are actually barely noticeable as reported by Samuel.com, something we have seen really visible on the demo unit. So that's really awesome. It actually looks really polished along with the software. I will leave a link down below for their full review in the description, but it looks really good, and I hope to get my hands on this phone. In case you don't know, I am giving away 2 Galaxy Buds. If you want to enter, make sure to subscribe to the channel, follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and lastly, leave a comment on my giveaway announcement video. Link is down below in the description. With that being said, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.